Hi guys, good morning. So we have Ali and
Aldrin.
Aldrin. So si Aldrin is from USE and
I'm from Miriam.
Miriam. So sila yung two of the 50, imagine 50 na nagkaroon ng pagkakataon to be part of the ARC Leadership Camp which will be held on
February
10 to 12 sa Batangas. So we'll talk about kung ano ba yung ARC first. So ano yung ARC?
Well, yung alam ko kasi yung ARC, nag-start kasi siya parang noong 2002. Parang ano siya, parang part siya ng isang company sa
International
yung
CS-based.
yes,
Tapos parang ARC became the main manufacturer.
ng RC Cola dito sa Pilipinas.
Okay. So at least may alam sila kung ano yung naging sponsor sa kanila. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Alison Bouvier. I'm from Miriam College. I'm 17 years old and currently a first-year student in the course BS Psychology.
Okay. And
I'm Aldrin Alejandrino po from the University of Santo Tomas. I'm 17 years old and I'm taking up BS Medical Technology.
okay. So let's talk about kung paano kayo nag-apply. How did it go? How sa school ninyo, how did it happen? How did you know about it?
Our school po, the Academic Affairs Office chose qualified students para sa ARC. And I was chosen as one of them.
Okay.
As then, tinatawag po kami sa office and then binigyan po kami forms. Then, from then on, hindi ko po alam, I had no idea of the ARC YLC. So, I researched about it first and then there, na-realize ko na it's a camp for young leaders. And yung process ng pag-apply is so new for me. Ito yun lang yung camp na nakita kong kailangan ng recommendation letters,
Okay.
ng panel interview. It's the first time, diba? It's the first time na it's really a grand camp to think about it, considering that they request for recommendation letters, and not just from your professors, but as well as from your peers, from your colleagues, so I suppose that the camp would know really something about you.
Ayun, parang narinig ko na yung ARC from last year pa. Kasi I'm part of this organization. It's called Becarios de Santo Tomas, which is the scholars organization of the University of Santo Tomas.
Okay.
So, may mga kuya at ate ako, 4 sila from UST, from my organization that joined this camp. And then, as in, nung pagbalik nila, parang sobrang saya, ganyan. Nakita ko, oh naman, grabe, like, nag-enjoy daw sila, they learned a lot daw, ganyan. Tapos parang ang dami lang pictures kasama yung mga friends, newfound friends nila. Tapos parang sila, nung nalaman nilang first year ako doon, sabi daw, mag-apply daw ako next year. So, ngayon second year ako, last year, parang yung kaka-post lang na application, uy Dre, salihan mo na to, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos parang tinignan ko, yung dami po palang requirements, ganyan-ganyan. Asikasuhin ko na lang kapag malapit na, grabe. Tapos, nakalimutan ko to apply. Pero, it was the week of the deadline. Parang that was like Tuesday na, tapos Friday na yung deadline. Tapos sinabi na sa akin, uy, Friday na yung deadline. What? Sabi ko ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabi daw, second year lang pwede. Tapos, parang inisip ko, I should grab this opportunity na kasi minsan lang yung mga ganitong opportunity na nakikita ko. So, try ko lang, ganyan.
You're saying about requirements. Ano yung requirements?
Ay, yung mga requirements kasi, yung mga essays.
There are 7 essays that needs to be answered in at least 150 words. 150 to 200 words.
Yun.
So yun, diba? Nagmadali ka, nagmadali rin ako.
Grabe, as in parang na-pressure ako. Wow, ganun. I hope na makapasok ako. Tapos, nagulat ako na may recommendation pa pala na, so naghanap ako prof, naghanap ako friend. Tapos nag-iusap ko, ma'am, sige na, kahit bukas, naghanap ng friend, no? Sabi ko, ma'am, kahit bukas na lang. Tapos yung friend ko, yung katabi ko, seatmate ko lang nun. Uy, close naman tayo, di ba? Ganyan. So lahat naman ako ganyan. Tulungan na lang kita sasay. Yeah.
Pero teka, sabi ni Ali, sa case niya,
Yes.
ikaw yung pinatawag.
After the process na yung recommendations, ganyan, and yung, ganyan, yun po
Hindi, pero ikaw pinatawag. You were
Okay.
chosen talaga agad na,
Iba.
okay, you apply.
Iba.
Sige, Louie,
Ako,
well,
parang,
parang,
I was like part
kumbaga,
of that
walk
work.
in.
Oh,
Walk in.
walk in.
Oh, walk
Yun.
in. Ito,
Pero-
invited, ito, walk
Invited,
in. So,
walk
may
in.
2 options pala. Okay.
pero po, ano rin po kami, scholar results.
Scholars.
So, this is
It's
like
one of
scholarship
the
requirement.
requirements of ARC scholar.
Kana. Okay.
Yeah, that makes the participants very, unique. Kasi scholars kami.
So scholar. That's one thing. Okay, so pwede kang walk in, pwede kang chosen, pero you definitely have to be a scholar of the school.
Yes.
Okay. So nung okay, na-submit nyo na yung application nyo, and how were you informed na kayo ay isa sa mga, let's say, preliminary?
Okay. I'll go first.
Yeah.
Okay, so, yun nga po, sabi ko po, akalain ko sa haba ng proseso yun lang yun, tapos mamimili na sila. Hindi pala. Yun nga po, may panel interview pa. So, in the panel interview, parang nag-alis na sila ng ibang participants. Kasi sa school ko, 3 yung nagbigay, pero 2 lang po yung pinatawag for interview. So, definitely,
Out na.
nag-scan through na rin sila ng mga may potential yun. And luckily, I and we are a part of it. And
How many panel interviews did you went through, undergo?
once lang po, pero three people were
3 people were there. And you were like 300 daw from different schools,
But not
trimmed
all
down to 15.
320 daw panel.
Okay, so talagang chosen agad. So, how long did you wait to find out kung sino na? That's after the, after the panel. So that's the last one? No exams, no whatsoever?
Yung sa akin, in my case kasi, how I know na part ako. Kasi, nung November yung deadline, then, mga early December na, yung isang friend ko, na, parang sabi na, Dre, may nag-text na ba yung ARC sa'yo? Ganyan. Tapos parang sabi ko, ay, hindi pa. Parang, sobrang nalungkot to. Like, nakuha na siya. Parang, ako hindi. Parang, okay. Parang tinanggap ko na lang na gano'n. Baka, yun. Parang,
yet
okay
your
lang.
turn.
Not yet my turn. Tapos, one time, nung bandang December yun, middle of December, nasa mall ako sa mga kaibigan ko. Tapos may tumatawag na,
Unknown number.
Tapos sabi ko, sino to? Kaya sasagutin ko ba? Tapos di ko muna sinagot, ganun. Tapos nung second, tumatawag talaga. So parang feeling ko emergency. Tapos kinol ko. Tapos sabi ko, hello po, sino to? Ganyan. Tapos parang, ay, is this Alvin? Yes po. Ano pong kailangan? May ka ba bukas? Bakit po ganyan? Tapos gugulat ako.
Baka open-minded ka ba?
Oo, sketchy, ganyan. Pero doon sinabi na interview for ARC. As in, uy!
Pwede po ako.
Oo, as in parang kinonto. Ay, sorry sir. I think you say, yes po, free po ako bukas, ganyan. As in parang kinancel ko na yung pupuntahan ko the next day kasi excited na ako na nakapasok ako sa interview.
So imagine, sa nakita ko na na pagkukwento, talagang from the moment na tinext pa lang kayo, talagang yung excitement yun.
Promise, as in,
Grabe. Paano naman yung nasa panel interview na tayo?
Very kabado ako. Sobrang kabado po ako.
Hindi ko lahat naman kabado eh.
Pagpasok pa lang po ng office nila, tapos may mga
Diba?
chairs na uupo ka doon. Yung tension habang naghihintay ka, iba eh. Parang dug. Sobrang kabado ako. But when I entered, I felt their welcoming arms naman na they were calm like that. So, over the interview, nagtatawanan lang kami, kwentuhan, casual conversation.
Okay.
Hindi
Na may
siya yung
pagtutunguhan.
Hindi siya yung parang pagpasok mo, di ba? They look so professional, they look so parang manunosebit ka sa English, ganyan. Tapos mag-iisip ko magagandang words, ganyan. Yun yung kinakabahan ako, ganyan. Pero nung nagtanong sila mga questions, it's easy to answer kasi mostly galing sa puso.
Okay,
And
speaking of questions, can you give us sample questions na tinanong sa inyo?
parang tinanong yung family background eh. Diba?
Okay.
Tinanong yung family background.
Anything else?
Yung sa sa akin po, mostly about the form na sinubmit ko.
Yeah.
They just scan through the form and then
Ask.
community involvement.
Yeah, community development.
It's a
the
very-
involvement as well.
Very, very important aspect in ARC to be community involved.
Yeah.
Okay, community involved. Anong involved, I mean, sa'yo, ano yung...
Yung sa akin po, my main community involvement is I'm Alison Gobier po, diba? So we have our own Gobier charity.
okay. Grabe. Louie.
Iba.
It's not like an official NGO like that. We made it our own. Pinangalanan lang namin para
May konting...
prestigious yung pakinggan. So yun, but it's done in our province. I'm from Bicol, Albay. So
Oh.
yung mga indigent kids, yung mga, in our street kasi, ang aming kids na hindi naman palaboy, they have their own houses, they have their own families. Pero yung they're not as well off as others. So syempre gugustuhin mo tumulong. And in our family, it's a really, really big thing for us to give back to the community. Parang, because my father was not well off when he was a kid. Public school, ganyan. So, it's his way of giving back. Kasi, ngayon, syempre, well off na siya, napapaaral ako sa MC, ganyan. And, it's his way of giving back. It's also our way of giving
Being
back.
thankful.
To be thankful of our blessings na nakuha namin. Siyempre, hindi lang naman kami lahat receive, hindi lang kami lahat tanggap na, uy, thank you, akin na yan, thank you. Hindi naman po dapat ganun. Dapat, we should also give back to the community. Kasi, sabi nga, share your blessings. So, yun po, it's our way of sharing our blessings to them. And it gives me a very, very
Warm feeling.
warm feeling. Yung sobrang, ang sarap sa puso na makita silang nakangiti, napapasaya mo sila, napapakain mo sila. And it's done every Christmas, every year.
Eto si Louie, anong community involvement meron
Ako
ka?
naman kasi, meron sa college at meron sa high school. Pero, yung sa college kasi, di ba, sumali ako sa org, may, parang nandun na yung community development na yun, yung project na yun. Ako, tumutulong na lang ako. Yung pas tumatak sa akin yung high school, kasi ako yung nag-start nun. Kasi nung high school ako, vice president ako ng Araluen Panlipunan Club. And since na panlipunan nga yung club na yun, yes. So parang kailangan daw every year may isip na bagong innovation na community project. So parang inisip ko na why don't we help yung mga ITAS sa malapit sa school namin sa Mabalaca at Pampanga. And then,
you're from Pampanga.
so yung parang naisip ko, feeding program, pero yung feeding program na to, hindi lang yung pupunta lang sila at kakain. Parang may mga games or activities para sa mga bata. Parang more on the youth. Parang ganun. Kasi minsan, masarap yung feeling kapag nakikita mo silang masaya. Parang helping people, parang yung thank you lang nila, parang sapat na yun eh. Parang di ba? Tapos yun, as in, parang yun yung pinopost ko na, kasi may boss yung Don Bosco nun. I'm from Don Bosco Academy Pampanga. And then so pinetch namin sila, parang sinundo namin sila doon. Tapos dinala namin sa school, and we had the programs and gymnasium namin. Then we gave the food, and then yung mga donation namin sa kanila, binigay din namin. And it was successful. Sarap na feeling na hanggang ngayon, tinutuloy ng mga dating officers na bata pa ngayon.
Mga succeeding.
Sila na yung mga nagtuloy, gano'n.
Question, do you have any idea how many went through the panel interview?
Yung sa
Yung nabasa ko doon, parang alam ko, they will be getting the top 150 ata for the panel interview. Pero,
150.
ang alam ko po, di ba November ka
November.
Ang balita ko po November, mga 60s sila. Ako po kasi December ako nagpanel.
Ay,
Tapos
December din ako
mga 20s or 30s lang.
And then
So,
trimmed
bale,
down to
90s
50.
lang.
Okay na. Teka, last. After the panel, gano'ng katagal bago nakuha result?
November siya.
Noong December din.
December 16 po.
December
Ay,
16.
labas na po sila ng result.
So, ganun yung pinagdaanan nyo. Now, I want you to invite every...
2 days after my
Okay, I
interview.
want you to invite other students to, anticipate na yung pag-apply for the next batch for year 2017. Okay, let's start with Alice.
Okay, so guys, apply na kayo sa ARC-YLC. It's a very, very fun camp to look forward to. It's something that you will learn new things, make new friends, and I encourage you so much to apply it. The process may be long, but it's very worth it.
Ayan, hi guys. Wala lang, parang kung ikaw, first year or second year college ka, at alam mong may potential ka bilang leader and you really want to learn more bilang leader, you should join this camp talaga. As in, promise, masarap yung feeling na matanggap ka dito. And to meet a lot of people from different schools. Come on, don't miss this opportunity. Kaya grab nyo na, tsaka may dami free food, promise.
Yummy foods.
Yummy.